Good morning students. Last day we have discussed the topic different scales of temperature. There are three scales of temperature. One is Fahrenheit, another is Celsius, and third one is Kelvin scale. Now how do you establish the relation? The relation between the Fahrenheit, Celsius and Kelvin is C by 5, which is equal to F minus 32 divided by 9, and which is equal to K minus 273 divided by 5. So this is the relationship between Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Now how do you convert one scale into another scale? Suppose you have to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit into Celsius or Celsius into Kelvin. We use this formula. In your exercise, one question is given like that: convert 85 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius. Convert 85 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius. How do you convert? So all we see here formula: C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. So first we write the formula here, solution. C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 divided by by 9. So here 85 degree Fahrenheit is given. So here you write, this implies that C by 5 is equal to, in place of F you will write 85 minus 32 divided by 9. Now C by 5, which is equal to 85 minus 32, 5 minus 2, 3, and 8 minus 3, 5. So 53 by 9. Now cross multiplication, after cross multiplication, C into 9, that is 9C is equal to 53 into 5. So C is equal to 53 into 5 divided by 9. Now you multiply, that is 5 3 ja 15, 1, 5 5 ja 25 or 1, 26 divided by 9. Now in decimal point, 9 2 ja 18 and 9.4. So here how do you convert? Fahrenheit is converted into Celsius. So here, so 85 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 29.4 degree Celsius. This is the solution of this question. Now the another question is, convert, second question, convert 80 degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. This is the question: 80 degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. How do you convert it? Again you see this formula: C by 5, which is equal to F minus 32 by 9. Here the value of temperature is given in Celsius. So here we write in place of C 80 by 5, which is equal to F minus 32 by 9. This implies that after cross multiplication, 5 into F minus 32, which is equal to 80 into 9. So F minus 32 is equal to 80 into 9 divided by 5. This implies that F minus 32 is equal to, here you cut 16, 5 is 80, so 16 into 9, that is 144. So here this implies that here F is equal to 144 plus 32, which is equal to 426, 437, 1. So here 80 degrees Celsius, 80 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 176 degree Fahrenheit. This is the solution of this question. Now I give one question. On the basis of this, you can solve or you practice in your copy. Convert 37 degrees Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. So you have to solve in this question in your copy according to this formula. Thank you.